So I'll probably talk quite a bit on this test drive because this is my favorite generation of Silverado. I feel like the power was good from the powertrains. They drove nice and they were just simple. Everything was easy to fix. You could do most of it yourself. And it was just a really, really sturdy truck. And that just goes to show, as you can see, with 162,000 miles on it, so far, nothing's wrong with it. Everything's simple. The gauges work, the radio works. Whereas on your newer trucks these days, screens go out or the heated seats don't work anymore. Just so much technology allows for so many more issues. And this right here is just simple, but you got everything you need. And these are the generation models I tend to see still driving around with 200K plus miles on them. And like I said, a lot of that has to do because they're a lot more simpler to fix. You just have that trusty 6-speed automatic. We'll put it in manual mode. And I really like the manual shifts. It's a little slow to shift into the highest gear, but downshifting is pretty quick. But even the ride quality, just really, really nice. It's not smooth or anything, but it's just, it works. And honestly, I think this Silverado has the best turn signal sound too. I just love that click. We'll give some throttle here. Definitely gets up. And I will say, even the sound, which if you're looking at a truck like this, is probably not a big deal, but just the overall sound acoustics in the cabin, not a lot of wind noise. I'm not hearing leaks throughout the doors anywhere. The only wind noise I'm hearing is from the rain guards. But overall, really, really, really good sound dampening in here. Yeah, I just tend to like the 6-speed better than the 8-speed with the 5.3 liter. It just doesn't do a lot of shifting, so you're not having to wait to find a gear and all that stuff. And these drive tough. They just, I don't know how else to say it. They just drive tough. They feel like a real truck. And it's crazy, with 162,000 miles, I haven't seen any issues. So this will bring me to an end of my review of the 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Extended Cab.